Okay, so sorry guys. Till now we haven't started the recording. I've just started it now, so
Okay.
you won't be able to get any recording for today's session for the first 40 minutes.
Oh,
Okay, I'll just
Um,
update all. Yeah.
for me, it shows that it has been recording for 38 minutes 29 seconds.
Uh,
hmm.
Actually, on my system, it was not showing recording.
Yes, same for me.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. It possibly might be just the meeting time, maybe.
Yeah. If there is a red dot in between the circle next to the meeting timing, then it is recording or not. It is recording. If the red dot is slightly gray, then it is not recording.
Okay, I
Right
see.
now, it must have turned red, right?
Yeah, it.
Yeah, I just started
I
now.
didn't check before, so I don't know.
Okay,
I think so
okay,
it started
okay,
right now. Yeah.
okay.
I
No
thought
worries.
that there's a time like right beside it, right? I thought that's the time of the recording. I thought
That's
it's just
actually
the
the
time of the
time
start.
when the meeting started.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
No worries. Okay, now as the service has been started, it is showing active. Let's move ahead and check uh, the configuration file related to this service. So that file is located. Now, please tell me where are the configuration files located, guys? Go back to the third chapter, the hierarchy of file management in Linux, all the 19 directories, and try to remember inside which directory are the configuration files located. Please don't refer your notes, try to think on your own.
System SOS.
Hmm, the exact location is /etc.
Oh,
No worries. Okay, so check the now check if there is a file by the name rsyslog.conf inside /etc. And please try to use ln while listing down, so it's easy for us to check all the files. That's perfect. rsyslog.conf. Okay. Now using the vim, open the file and let's check what's inside it. Okay, what's inside this file? Everything is empty, right?
yes.
Yeah, that is because this file helps us to configure custom logging details or custom log information that we want. So we need to, just like how we use cron table or cron file, similarly, we have to use this file or this configuration file whenever we want to create custom logging information. Now we can do it like if we want to redirect all the authentication logs to a new file. So we can do that using this rsyslog configuration file. Now let's try and do that. Okay. Tejas, I'll just pass you the command in the chat
Hmm.
box as it's quite long. Okay. Please execute this command. Yeah, we have to paste it here, not execute. We have to
Okay.
paste that command inside this file.
Yeah, pasted actually. It is not showing. It must be somewhere.
Can you just type in then? It should display, right?
Maybe it is displayed. It is pasted,
Okay,
but
okay, okay.
it is.
Just save and exit then.
Yeah.
We will check the file using cat command or head. Yeah. Now just check the file using cat. Yeah, good.
Yes. It is pasted.
Okay. It has been successfully displayed now. Now, as we have, as we are trying to create a new configuration, we have made changes in this particular file, but the system is not aware because the system was up long time before this file was created or this entry was entered into the system. So for the system to identify what are the changes made, we need to restart the service. So using systemctl restart, we are going to restart rsyslog. Yeah, execute the command, pages. Okay, now we have to verify if we are getting the correct logs to the particular file. And the file name was custom auth log, right? It was located inside /var/log custom authentication logs. Now let's check inside /var/log if this file has been created or not. We are inside log only pages.
Yes.
Always use LL
Oh, sorry.
because actually it's hard for me to view all the files or directories
Mm-hmm.
when they are not displayed in a serial.
Yeah.
Okay, where is it located? Mhm. Custom
Which
auth log,
custom?
custom authentication log. Okay, the file has not been created.
Mm-hmm.
Just scroll above. We created inside var log, right? Check your present working directory. It's var log
Wow.
only, right? Yeah, then it should have created this. We are facing a lot of errors today. Let me just try to understand what's going wrong in this. Okay, the command is correct. We have to follow the same path, but still the file has not been created. Then there must be some changes in the command that I need to check and update. But everything else, the complete process is the same. I'll just check the command. What is the if there has been changes into the flow of events that we have followed till now, and if there are any changes, then we'll discuss it tomorrow when we would be understanding different how to read logs.
Um, so I was doing like the same commands in my system, and I was able to create the file.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
See, you're sharing the screen, right?
Yes.
Mm, okay, let me just yeah, ours is log conf. Now, uh, can you just open it using cat? Show me the file. Okay. rsyslog con. Oh, we created a different file. We created custom auth.log.
Did I messed up somewhere?
Yeah, we created a file by the name custom log auth.
Okay, I might have missed that.
Custom auth. Yeah, custom auth.log, not rsyslog.con.
Okay,
The file name that is being showed inside rsyslog.com, that's the file we are trying to create.
okay,
Yeah, but it's great that you shared your screen. Everyone can check it. We have messages file, we have secure, spoiler, tally log, last log, every other file that we just noted down. It's present in one C system. So these are the files that we are going to check how we have to read logs and understand them. That I have kept for tomorrow's session because it's quite complex and I want you to address it with a fresh mind. Now, let's get back to, yeah, a couple of announcements I have to make for for all the sessions starting from tomorrow. On this weekend, you all would be having mock interviews on Linux. Friday, we would be conducting a test on Linux till all the chapters that we have completed. Along with that, means the topics that we are going to learn tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that those would be also included. And depending upon your examination marks and your mock interview score, we would be grading you. These grades are very important because from now on, every week you would be getting your grades. Whoever performs low for 2 weeks consecutively would be not, then he would have to leave the sessions. He won't be allowed to continue. So every week we would be having tests and one mock interview. If you don't perform well by any chance, like let's just say if you're not well, you're sick, or you just travel for 1 week, that's fine. In the next week, again, if you make the same mistake, then you won't be allowed to attend the session. You have to leave the session. So this is a new structure that we are going to follow because from earlier test, what I can sense is you guys are not practicing at your home, and Linux requires a lot of practice. I just hope everyone starts practicing a lot from today itself so that we would complete our syllabus in time and move on to AWS, complete it within the next 5 to 6 weeks, and then we all can start applying to different job positions or internship positions. Sounds good? Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. All this is only for you guys. Try to understand. Don't misunderstand anything like there is nothing like we are kicking out anyone from this session. We just want you to perform well right now. So it would be easy for you to get your interviews correct. Yeah. Today I'll publish the test scores of our last week's test. Let me just check. I'll announce the top three students who have scored very well. Just give me a minute. Okay, Tejas, you're the top scorer. You have 69 out of
Oh,
75.
thank you.
Yeah, that's great. Then we have Prajur. He is at 67.5 out of 75. That's again great. Then we have Shweta. Shweta is on 59 out of 75. So these are the top three scorers. Everyone else don't get like don't worry, you are in the same range, but these are just the top three. Okay, yeah. So I want every one of you to score much better in the next session so that it would be easier for me to announce everyone's name on the same number, like 75 out of 70. Yeah, sounds good, right? And there is another announcement. So, as you all know, our end goal is to get hands-on experience in practical applications of agentic AI. Tomorrow, there is a chance that we might have one more session on agentic AI applications, how we are going to learn development of agentic AI applications from user perspective, because there are two perspectives. One is builder, one is user. Builder is for research students or PhD students. We are trying to build agentic AI applications in a very short period of time, deploy them, and get the business problem solved. So this is just to make your interest grow in this section or in this field of agentic AI. Because I also feel that from last 3 to 4 weeks we have been studying Linux and it's getting quite boring, right? Just looking at a black screen with white command prompt executing the command. So just to make some change, we would be exploring agentic AI also, so that you would know why Linux is very important when we are learning cloud computing or agentic AI. That will motivate you to practice more in a positive way. Sounds good, everyone. Please give me a thumbs up if you agree with me. If you disagree, please DM me. Don't say it here. Yeah, sounds good. Now, let's wrap up for today. So, thank you guys. Thank you for joining in today. Tomorrow, yeah, go ahead, Nancy.
Could you just share the notes for the last class and the one that we did today?
Yes, yes, I'll share that. Actually, I was occupied with some other work. That's why
Oh, that's
I
fine. That's
wasn't
fine.
able to prepare. I'll do it by tonight, and by midnight, you will receive all the notes.
Yeah, that's fine. That's it.
Yeah, sorry for that. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining in today.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.